Hello everyone. Today we're working on this coffee maker because sometimes there is coffee coming out the bottom while it's brewing. So I want to take it apart and look at it. This is the Next, okay? What we're going to do is take this bottom plate off, then take two of the sides off, take the ring off, and see, here's where the coffee comes out and some of these pieces. So we can clean them and find out what happens. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have unplugged it, okay? Important. And to hold this bottom plate, there are 4 little screws like this, okay? They look like they have an Allen wrench head or a star head, but they don't work. The tools are stuck with this little thing in the middle. Okay, that sticks in there and none of the tools will work. So this is what I did. I used this flathead, put it in there, kind of gradually, slowly work it. So I got these 4 screws off. Okay, it's going to be 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 4 off. Then this just kind of, you can get it off. Then the next step is we need to get this piece off. Now this piece comes towards you, okay, like in towards this direction. And you can see this little catch right here, okay, goes in there. You just have to push it in a little bit, then you can slide this out. You just have to be careful with these 3 things, okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, they can break off. So I get this off. I already got the other side off, okay, to save time. Then this is the ring. This ring is like the lady's headband. It bends, okay, it's flexible. So all you need is to push this thing up in that direction so that the 2 sides, I'll show you. There are 2 catches, okay. One is this thing, one is this here, okay. And they will be in here, so you have to kind of push it up a little bit, then this will be freed, you can open it, okay? Now I want to show you, you should also take this right here, where the coffee comes out, you can take it out, clean it. This piece where the coffee is diverted, okay, you can take this out and clean it. Now my problem is there's a leak, right? So I looked at it, I saw that right here, see it's dirty? It's actually the overflow. And it flows, it comes out of, this tube and this, and comes to the back. Okay, see it comes out this tube, comes out to the back. So I open this part up, and I blow into it, it's stuck, filled with gunk. So I had to clean this out, open it up, so then the overflow will flow through this pipe instead of coming somewhere else, okay? Because when I saw it earlier, the overflow just drops down from here and makes a mess. Now, the last thing I want to tell you is, see this right here? This is where that overflow comes in. So this part might be a little bit wet from time to time. That's okay. That's normal. So I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.